Hey guys, Mankiller7, the Radical Ranter. Okay, now, I had to make this video simply because EA's fucking done it. Now, as a member of the gaming community, we all know that, Bethesda's recently fucked up with Fallout 76. The servers are shit. Activision Blizzard has fucked up by saying, yeah, Diablo Immortal. Sorry, PC gamers. Just deliberately said, yeah, we're just gonna piss our fans off. Fuck the fans. We'll do what we want. Now, that's kind of what EA has done for many of the past years. I think EA's turned over a new leaf. I'm skeptical. I'm hoping. Because of recent news. We know the backlash that happened when Command & Conquer's Rivals was announced. Mobile only, and it pissed everyone off. Maybe there's a new leaf here. And I'm going to read an article to you. I'll even put it in the description below. Let me see here. Petroglyph. If I could get the fuck out of the damn way here. Okay. So, fellow Command & Conquer fans. A month ago, we let the Command & Conquer community know we were bringing the franchise back to the PC. That's big. That's big. Starting with the Remaster initiative. The reaction from the fans has been amazing, and many of you sharing your favorite CSC moments from the past 23 years. This is the king of real-time strategy. Not that shallow bullshit from in Korea, StarCraft, I believe it is. Not that. That's the pretender it always has been. Not only are they remastering Command & Conquer Tiberian Dawn, number 1, they're also remastering Red Alert. The first of the Red Alert series. But what about those classic expansion packs? For Tiberian Dawn, you got Covert Ops. With Red Alert, you have Counter-Strike and Aftermath. Well, they're all going to be bundled with the base games into one remastered collection without microtransactions. This is fucking EA we're talking about. And no microtransactions. And here's to even top it off. The team they're bringing back to do it is the original people who made the fucking games in the first place. Yeah, they closed Westwood Studios. That's true. But the original members of Westwood went and made Petroglyph Studios. They're bringing Petroglyph on board to do it. They're partnering with them. They're also bringing back Joe Kukin for Kane. The fucking peace through power. The Brotherhood of Nod. And they're, I don't know how they're going to do Stalin, though. Because I don't know if that actor's still alive. And if he's still in the shape to actually do it. But I loved his acting. I don't know who they're going to get to do Tanya yet. That's not... Because they haven't even started development yet. I don't know who they're going to get to do Tanya. And I know I'm in the minority on this, but we have Red Alert 2 with Gary Warher as Tanya. Okay, she was okay. She wasn't great. Lynn Latier in Red Alert 1 was fucking Tanya. We don't see hardcore shit like that with Gary in Red Alert 2. Lynn Latier was made up to look like she was tortured and everything, and then an Allied spy soldier busts in, gets shot, and then she knocks the Soviet guy down. He throws the gun to her, and she blows away the Soviet guy after being tortured. Carrie didn't do shit like that. She fought mind control. Good for her. Lynn Latier this one was fucking tortured. Of course, different universes with everything getting fucked up. So that could be a part of it. Well, actually, no, it's not, because Red Alert 2 follows directly from Red Alert 1 with an allied victory. So yeah, technically it should still be a little bit here. But well. They're bringing back some, Joe Bostic is still here. Frank Klepacki is back. I don't know why he was the number one. That's stupid. I would say Joe Kukin is, because he's the fucking face. He's in both Red Alert and Tiberium Dawn. He is the fucking Brotherhood of Nod, basically. Now, what I'm thinking is, Frank, I haven't looked this up, but it's a guess, based on the article, Frank is the voice of the Commando, which, that was left-handed. We all know. The Commando from fucking Command and Conquer. Now, I hope they do getting the original developers back is just fucking great. But Petroglyph will also be partnering with Lemon Sky Studios to help bring the original games to 4K glory. Now, I will just go... the exciting part is we haven't started development yet. The community is literally getting in on the ground floor of this project and have every opportunity to help influence how we rebuild this remastered experience. Please continue to engage on Reddit and community channels and help us create the best possible remasters of CNC and Red Alert. Welcome back, Commander. Jim Vasella. I don't know what that was, but I don't know exactly how to put this because it's fucking amazing. We get the original, the king, the trendsetter of real-time strategy back in all its glory without microtransactions. Remastered by the ones who made them in the goddamn first place. It's fucking perfect. Perfect. Now, I do have one misgiving about it. Misgiving is that they may put it on Origin only. I am fairly certain they're going to do that. I can live with that. Just based on all the great news and the hit points down, I can live with that. I can give you that, EA. I can give you that. Based on what you're doing right so far, this is fan service. This is how you keep your fans happy. You do shit like this, Activision Blizzard wouldn't be a problem to you. With how they're fucking up, and they've been fucking up for the past while, you do fan service like this, you will once again be the gaming developer, publisher, everything. You'll basically be like, yeah, so who is our contenders again? You will be back at the top. You do shit like this. You remaster some of your older games, bring them back, because you dissolved Pandemic Studios. Not your best move, but put them, like, fuck DICE. Just get rid of DICE. Nobody cares. They fucking suck at making games. Period. We saw how that worked out. Put the original people from Pandemic, if you still have them or you can work with them, put them in charge of making Battlefront 3. Say, here you go, guys. Make the game. And just let them do what they do. Not only, and don't add microtransactions into it, not only will you set the ball rolling for fan service to come back as an actual fucking business model, that game will blow the sales for Battlefront 1 and Battlefield 2 Star Wars Edition and Battlefield 2 Star Wars Edition out of the fucking water. We'll just nuke them into oblivion. It will set a chain of events that will just make sure you're unrivaled for a good while. You go back into doing fan service games, you'll fucking nuke everyone. Now, I'm optimistic about this because I'm a huge CNC fan. I'm a huge real-time strategy gamer. Like World in Conflict, Sins of a Solar Empire, Ashes of the Singularity, Imperial Glory, Age of Empires, Definitive Edition, Age of Empires 2, HD, Age of Empires 3. Not so much on that one, but Age of Mythology. Let's just see here all these real-time strategy games I got. Ancestors Legacy, which is fucking amazing. Command and Conquer 3, Command and Conquer Generals, Dark Reign, Rise of the Shadowhand, Disciples, Expeditions Viking, Expedition Conquistador, Formata, Imperial Glory, Knights of Honor, Rise of Nations, Sins of a Solar Empire, Supreme Commander, Alternate General Civil War. Not that great, but it's okay. And, as I said, World in Conflict. StarCraft it's there. StarCraft 2, I played it, was not impressed. It's a fucking sham. Yeah. How fast can I beat this match? 5 minutes. Done. No. Yeah. StarCraft 2 is a knockoff. Pathetic. Okay. And without saying the rise of Rome. Let's see here. I don't have all of them installed. Come on, Steam. Come on. That's not Steam. But, yeah, that's pretty much the fucking standard right now. Oh, yeah, Warcraft 3 Reforged. So Blizzard's doing one thing okay. One thing. Warcraft 3 wasn't even their best game. That was Warcraft 2. Why not remaster the good one instead of fucking with the one that a lot of people know? Yeah, because you're money-hungry fucked. And I bet you 98%, I'm sorry, 95% there's going to be microtransactions in Reforged. Because it's fucking Blizzard EA. Blizzard Activision, Blizzard, whatever. They may be the biggest, but that's exactly why they win the shit award for 2018, the shit company award for 2018. Not EA. EA just kind of said, you know what, we're going to fucking fan service the shit out of these people. Do it. And okay, it's amazing. For EA to choose a fucking proper idea and say, this is what we're going to do, and listen to the fans. World's ending. World's going to end. We're fucked. This has been Main Killer 7, the Radical Ranter, out.